Despite recent market volatility and broader sector uncertainty, institutional capital is quietly doubling down on a critical segment of the AI revolution: advanced memory. We are seeing AI memory stocks trim losses, not due to speculative frenzy, but from calculated by the dip strategies by sophisticated investors. This isn't just about any memory. We are talking about high bandwidth memory, or HBM. And specialized DRAM. These components are the lifeblood of modern AI accelerators, particularly NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs, making them indispensable. The structural moat here is immense. It's not just about silicon. It's about intricate 3D stacking, advanced packaging, and proprietary design IP that few companies possess. This capital-intensive R&D cycle creates significant barriers to entry, insulating key players like Micron, SK, Hynix, and Samsung from easy competition. Now, while we don't have individual corporate earnings for today's discussion, what we are seeing across the sector are strong signals of demand recovery. Memory makers are reporting improving average selling prices, particularly for HBM. Indicating margin expansion is firmly on the horizon, driven by the insatiable AI market. This margin shift is significant. Traditional memory cycles were brutal. But the AI demand profile is proving far more resilient and less elastic. This offers a new level of earnings visibility for companies like Micron and SK, Hynix, allowing for more predictable revenue metrics than we've seen in prior cycles. That leads us to a crucial point: management's execution strategy. Leading memory firms are aggressively accelerating their R&D into next-gen HBM. This capital allocation isn't speculative, it's a direct response to future demand from partners like NVIDIA and major cloud providers, securing long-term supply agreements. We are seeing significant corporate guidance pointing towards continued capacity expansion, especially for HBM3E and beyond. This isn't just about volume, it's about technological leadership. Companies are prioritizing advanced process nodes and packaging innovations, demonstrating a clear focus on sustaining their competitive edge. Here's where the broader industry context comes into play. The macro environment, with its fluctuating interest rates and geopolitical tensions, creates a complex backdrop. Yet, the demand for AI compute infrastructure, specifically high-performance memory, acts as a powerful countercyclical force. The competitive landscape remains an oligopoly. Micron, SK, Hynix, and Samsung dominate HBM production. But their success also intertwines with critical partners like TSMC for advanced packaging and ASML for lithography HY equipment. This interdependence highlights a highly concentrated and strategically vital ecosystem. However, we can't ignore the risks. The primary vulnerability remains the cyclical nature of memory, even if AI demand cushions it. An unforeseen slowdown in AI adoption or an aggressive oversupply scenario in the long run could pressure margins. We need to continuously monitor supply-demand dynamics. Regulatory pressure and geopolitical headwinds are also significant. Export controls, particularly concerning advanced semiconductor technology, could disrupt supply chains or limit market access. The cost inflation for raw materials and advanced manufacturing equipment also presents a persistent challenge. Looking forward, the multi-year thesis for AI memory remains robust. The continued expansion of AI models and the shift to on-device AI will drive sustained demand. We expect increasing forward earnings visibility for companies deeply entrenched in this structural growth story. valuation reassessment is already underway. The market is increasingly recognizing that HBM makers are not just cyclical memory plays, but critical enablers of the AI revolution. This re-rates their growth potential and justifies a different risk premium, particularly for leaders with proven execution. So, what does this mean tactically? Companies like Macron and SK Hynix, especially those expanding HBM3E leadership and securing supply agreements, remain on our breakout watch for structural momentum. Conversely, any firm showing signs of lagging in HBM innovation or facing severe geopolitical restrictions might warrant trim consideration. The takeaway for sophisticated investors is clear. The current dip in AI memory stocks isn't a red flag, but a potential repricing event. It's a testament to the sector's deep structural moats and critical role in the accelerating AI paradigm. For more deep dive institutional analysis like this, make sure you're subscribed to SR Money News. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our insights into where institutional capital is truly flowing.